Bitcoin is continuing sideways today after a major crash and small recovery. Guys, this is not the bottom, at least in my opinion. Of course, this isn't financial advice, but I personally expect much further drops to play out. This has played out pretty much every single cycle in a similar way. And in this video, regardless of what the price target may be, I'm going to show you how you can use just two indicators to time what is likely to be the exact bottom, if not very close to it, to maximize your profit on the way back up. Guys, you don't want to miss out. Tomorrow's future forecast is going to be absolutely insane. Actually, really quick, let's take a look. Travis is going to be sharing something in tomorrow's future forecast that may be a bit controversial for some believers, himself included. Guys, astrological data is going insane, and we're also going to do a deep dive into where Bitcoin could find its next bottom using fractal patterns, market cycle highs and lows, and the Pro Trade Manager's green dots. Big moves are coming for Bitcoin, regardless of what you see. So be sure to sign up for a membership, get access to that future forecast tomorrow, and get ready for what happens next. Starting out, we're trading Bitcoin USD on the daily time frame with the market cycle highs and lows and the Pro Trade Manager. On the market cycle highs and lows, we sit in caution. Most often, this is going to be a continuation signal to the downside if you're coming from a top, which we are. We see here caution moved up into mild caution. We even got neutral, but this ended up being a bear flag pattern as we've talked about for the past couple of months. And I want you guys to be ready for what happens next. Now, we may be forming another bear flag pattern here. It remains to be seen, though. There isn't any real confirmations one way or the other. But if we take a look at the last bear market, we got exactly that. We got a huge bear flag that took multiple months to play out. After the breakout, we got a much smaller bear flag that resulted in the absolute bottom. As we moved into the $24,000 to $16,000 range on Bitcoin, this is where we finally saw fear and max fear. Guys, these two readings are where the bottom zone typically ends up being. And when we sit in fear or max fear and we get a green dot, this is where we're likely calling the exact bottoms. This is used to predict what is going to be the best entry opportunity. And in fact, this candle right here, this green dot, called the exact bottom of the bear market here, but any of these entries within this range were absolutely insane and resulted in massive profits as we moved towards the top over the next couple of years. If you're looking for an ideal investment opportunity, this is exactly what we want to see this time around too. Fear and max fear. Simple as that, and once we have those readings, we're looking for a green dot to make our actual entry. Guys, I'm showing you how to set alerts almost every single day. It is essential that you know how to do it. We're going to delete these just because they've already been through it. Let's check out the alerts. We're going to click Create Alert, switch this to the market cycle highs and lows. Fear Alert, once per bar close, click Create. Next alert, market cycle highs and lows. This time it'll be max fear, once per bar close, click Create. Last alert, Pro Trade Manager, long entry short take profit, once per bar close, and click Create. These are going to be extremely important, and that's why I'm showing you in almost every single video. Fear and max fear will let you know, of course, when we drop into fear or max fear on the market cycle highs and lows. Long entry short take profit will let you know when we get a green dot on the Pro Trade Manager. Receiving fear or max fear and then a green dot. Emphasis on and then. You may see long entry short take profit signals before that happens, but it's not until we see fear or max fear that I'm really paying attention for that long entry short take profit in order to make my personal entry. If you are able to do the same thing, guys, you should see massive profits, assuming the bull market cycle plays out as usual. We're going to go super in depth in this in tomorrow's future forecast episode, and we've been talking pretty extensively about it in the last episode. I think we're up to 12 updates on this one, so be sure to check those out. Members also get access to the trading portal. I'll go over that in another video today. This one's already running a little bit long, but it's going to give you the same data I just showed you across 40 coins, and that is awesome for those that are just looking for general trades, the indicators are going to give you the absolute perfect your trading entries. Members get access to the trading portal and the future forecast and major discounts on the AI indicators. What you need to do is head into the description of the video you're watching right now. Membership is the second link. Click that. It'll bring you to your sign up page where you can get 25% off your first month. That is less than $50 to get started. Head to the Pro AI indicators. Right down here, reveal your membership coupon. Just click that link, write down what it shows, click checkout on Gumroad. Click I want this. Right here, market cycle highs and lows, click that. Add to cart. Throw in your membership code right here for $150 off each, $300 total. Throw in your information right here, click pay, and you are good to go. With that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership for tomorrow's future forecast episode. You're not going to want to miss it.